How does life insurance work? A life insurance policy is a protective contract between you and an insurer. In the event of your passing, the life insurance company pays your beneficiary, a person or organization that you choose, a set amount of money, benefit amount. You can name any person or organization that you'd like as your beneficiary, and you can even name more than one. That's good news for parents who have more than one child and don't want to play favorites. The amount your beneficiary or beneficiaries will receive is determined by the amount of coverage you chose to purchase. Best of all, your beneficiary will receive the benefit amount income tax-free according to current laws. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.